How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rekt videos. Today we have another compilation of instant karma as well as unexpected moments. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button, also subscribe and hit the notification bell as there are plenty of new videos on the way. First up, guys, we've got 3 car thieves that were caught trying to steal a Mercedes-Benz. However, they didn't get very far as they were all caught and arrested within about 10 seconds after trying to steal the vehicle. What you're seeing just now is them accidentally setting off the car alarm, but before they could even begin to make their getaway, police catch them in the act in what could be one of the quickest arrests ever caught on camera.
Aquí atrás de la estación Vía Alemana, entre Berlín con Blanco, este weón andaba robando autos. Si lo dejaron bien alusado al conchetumare.
What you're looking at here, guys, is that this guy thinks he's a Caterpie and he's trying to evolve into a Metapod. Okay, not really. What actually happened was that this guy was placed under citizen's arrest after he was spotted trying to steal cars. Not only that, but he also tried attacking an elderly man who tried stopping him. It should be noted that the criminal was not in any way harmed, but he was arrested by police shortly after.
Se rompió la cara y aquí lo estoy ayudando esperando que lleguen los carabineros porque el caballero andaba solo. Así que eso, tuve que parar un poquito.
Here we have another car thief who's caught on camera trying to steal a vehicle straight from a car dealership, with about 10 or 20 people watching.
Call the police, somebody. Call the police.
In case you're wondering why he's having problems driving the car, this vehicle won't release its electric parking brake unless the driver is wearing his seatbelt.
Is anybody? Can you call the police? Do you have your phone on you?
Get another car in here. Alright, get out of the car, mate. You want to smash the window or what?
No, we're
Which way? Hang on. Which way? You want to smash this window here? Oi! Get out of the car! We're going to take the window out if you don't get out of this car now, mate. I will drag you through here if you don't get out of this car. Get the window.
Carter! Yes! Get out of the car!
Again, guys, this criminal wasn't hurt, but he was held until police arrived, where he was then placed under arrest. This driver thought it would be a good idea to cut someone off in traffic. He even drives on the wrong side of the road to do so, but to his surprise, there were police only a few feet away that saw the whole thing. This unlucky thief got his head trapped in railings while trying to escape a burglary. I did manage to find the video, so let's take a look.
Ahorita le marcan.
No, eso ya es más seguro que salgas ahí.
Ayer te chingaron de esos, te pusieron una vergüenza.
Shortly after, police arrived to arrest the man, and one even did a frickin' somersault. This guy decided to drive up to Trump supporters and spit on someone's flag. He then tries to quickly drive away but ends up hitting a pole. I bet he hopes that his insurance company doesn't see this video.
Stupid asshole. All that hate. It's unfortunate that it happened, but man, that is. Oh, and now you got the cops here. Oh man. Yeah, he spit on the guy.
I know, he stepped on me. Right.
You know, I was the one paying attention. You know what I mean?
Tell me you got all that.
I did.
You did?
I did.
Can you send it to him and then he crashes it?
I got you.
Can you send it to me?
Stand over there for me.
Okay.
Thank you very much. All that hate, bro.
No. But you spit at the guy. Oh, yeah, no, I got it. Spit on the brother. Was that him? No, it wasn't your brother. Oh. No.
Wait, he spit on some guy. I saw it, but I didn't get
Yeah, he did.
Where did he spit on? Who did he spit on?
Yeah, on him.
He spit on my brother.
Yeah. I got it on camera that he spit on him.
Here's an unexpected video. Police caught wind of some criminals, and once they had reasonable suspicion, they found all of this stuff behind the criminal's car stereo. This clip was titled "What's Behind the Stereo?" but I think a better title would be "What Isn't?"
No, vamos a robar ahí. Joya. Maverick. Graba.
Dale, Coco. Coco, buena, Coco.
A la derecha hay algo como blanco también.
Coco. Coco, buena, tío.
No, güey.
Joder.
Para no darle.
Coco, tío.
¡Hijo de puta!
Coco.
Mato
Hostia. Aquí hay premio, Coco. Vete grabando eso que está. Escúchame, aquí viene, aquí el premio.
Seguro. Ah, no. La coca.
A ver, tío.
Más dinero.
No, escúchame, ¿aquí más o qué?
No veas si no te cabe el brazo ya.
No. Sigue. Vamos, señores, vamos. Vamos. Escúchame más, Vamos, señores, vamos.
As you can see, there's an endless amount of wristwatches and money that they're pulling out of there. Legend has it that to this day, they're still searching behind that stereo. The person driving the black Jeep demonstrates a lack of caring for other people on the road after cutting this guy off. Shortly after, the person who was cut off realised that the driver was pulled over by police. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed putting this together. Let me know which clip was your favourite. New video tomorrow, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.